With these fertilizers, your geraniums will be covered in blooms all season long. Geraniums can flower very abundantly, but they need the right amount of nutrients to do so. Start by making this fertilizer from used coffee grounds. Coffee grounds contain valuable minerals, improve soil structure, and help the soil retain moisture for longer. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to a container and pour in about 4 cups of water. Stir well and let it sit for about 1 hour. Then strain the mixture and pour 1 cup into the flower pot. This amount is enough to provide the roots with nutrients, support leaf growth, and encourage the plant to produce more flower buds. Repeat this treatment every 2 weeks. The second fertilizer is made from yeast. Take a tall container and add about 2 teaspoons of fresh yeast. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar feeds the yeast and helps activate the natural processes in the solution. Finally, pour in about 4 cups of lukewarm water and mix everything thoroughly. Many gardeners value yeast because it supports root development and helps keep plants strong and healthy. Let the mixture sit for about 1 hour, then water the geraniums with 1 cup of the solution. This amount is enough to support growth and encourage the formation of new flower buds. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks as well. Regular use of both fertilizers helps strengthen the plants, promotes healthy growth, and supports the development of new blooms. Water your geraniums with this, and the neighbors will be green with envy. You can make this nutrient-rich fertilizer right in your own kitchen. Take 1 raw potato. It is not just useful for cooking. Grate it or cut it into small pieces. Potatoes are rich in starch, vitamins, and minerals that support plant growth, improve soil structure, and help the soil retain water more effectively. Put the potato into a bowl and pour in about 1 quart of water. Add 1 teaspoon of honey, which contains natural sugars that help activate nutrients, support soil microorganisms, and improve plant health. Add 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds, which enrich the fertilizer with extra minerals such as nitrogen and potassium, while improving soil structure and aeration. Mix everything thoroughly. Pour the mixture into a jar and let it sit for 12 hours so the ingredients can combine and ferment. After that, strain the solution. When you want to use it, pour some into a watering can. Then add about 1 quart of water so the solution is not too strong. Water your plants with this natural fertilizer, and you will notice how quickly they grow, becoming stronger and healthier. Regular use will improve their condition and support long-lasting healthy growth. Simply add them to each pot, and your geraniums will bloom wonderfully. They grow faster and immediately produce many new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful, vibrant color. For many people, walnut shells are worthless and often end up in the trash. This is a big mistake. I'll show you how to make a flower fertilizer from them. Take about 20 walnuts and remove the shells, as it's the shells we'll use for the mixture. They contain a wealth of nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, as well as fiber, amino acids, proteins, and tannins. Place the shells in a pot and cover them with a liter of water. Then, simmer them on low heat with the lid on for 20 minutes. After this time, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. Once cooled, strain the mixture. Finally, dilute the solution in a 1:2 ratio with water. You can confidently water your flowers with this mixture. You'll notice the difference almost immediately. The color will be more vibrant, and most importantly, the number of flowers will significantly increase. Water your geraniums with this, and even wilted flowers will quickly regain their color and start blooming beautifully again. All you need is 1 simple ingredient that you already have in your kitchen. With it, your geraniums will regain their vibrant appearance, become fuller, intensely green, and covered in colorful flowers. Take an onion, which is rich in natural nutrients that support plant growth. Peel it carefully, but don't throw away the skins, as they contain many valuable minerals that help strengthen leaves and improve flower health. Now take a larger jar, place all the onion skins in it, and cover them with water. Close the jar, cover it with a cloth, and leave it for about 2 days. During this time, all the beneficial components from the onion will infuse into the water, creating a natural homemade fertilizer. After 2 days, strain the mixture through a sieve. Now, prepare a spray bottle. Pour the ready solution into it, and close the bottle tightly. Spray the leaves and flowers thoroughly to refresh them and aid their recovery. Take a watering can, pour about 3.4 fluid ounces of the prepared solution, then add about 17 fluid ounces of water, and mix well. Use this mixture to water the soil around the geraniums to strengthen the roots and encourage growth. After just a few days, your geraniums will look healthier, and their leaves and flowers will regain their beautiful appearance. Use this natural fertilizer regularly once a week, and your geraniums will bloom even more abundantly. This will keep your plants healthy and beautiful throughout the entire summer season. Give this to your flowers, and even those scorched by the sun will revive. It's a supplement you can make at home, and it helps all weakened plants. If the leaves of your plants are sunburned or dried out, you can help your plant recover. All you need are supplements that you might already have in your medicine cabinet. Folic acid helps plants maintain healthy metabolism and DNA. Folic acid is also known as vitamin B9. It stimulates growth and accelerates flowering. Glycine is an amino acid that is a fundamental component of plant tissues and chlorophyll. Thanks to glycine, the process of photosynthesis proceeds correctly, resulting in healthy, greener leaves. Take 1 tablet of folic acid and 1 tablet of glycine. Crush them in a mortar and pestle as finely as possible. Transfer the crushed tablets into a container of water. Mix well until they are completely dissolved. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and use it to spray the leaves of the plants, as well as to water them regularly. You will quickly notice an improvement. The plants will revive, become lush and green, and begin to bloom beautifully. I add this to water and water my geraniums with it. They grow faster and immediately produce lots of new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful, vivid color. All you need is a large bottle. Pour 1.5 liters of regular water or rainwater into it. Next, you'll need some lager beer. Add a few teaspoons of this liquid gold to the bottle. Use natural or organic beer without additives or preservatives, as these can be harmful. The beverage of the gods contains yeast, sugars, and carbohydrates, which can serve as a quick source of energy for soil microorganisms. Yeast contains potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, exactly what flowering plants like geraniums need. You'll see that this water will further strengthen your geraniums. Remember, geraniums don't like too much water, so water them in moderation. This water with a bit of lager is perfect for geraniums. In a short time, they will reward you with beautiful flowers. Especially during hot weather, mineral-rich water from the liquid gold will be very beneficial for geraniums.